We're looking for a small vase, and I think it might be on this shelf in the back. Why is it always something in the back? There it is. Oh, careful. Alrighty. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We bought this at an estate sale, and I can't believe it finally sold. Lacotte China Zapon USA, hand painted. It sold at full asking price for $24.95 plus shipping. I'm getting ready to pack this vase, and here's something I haven't shown you for a long time. I have these two spaces that curve in. Take a sheet of tissue paper by the corner and run your hand through it and elongate it. And then wrap it around. And then just use regular tape. Tape that would come loose easily when they go to unwrap it. I'm going to do that for here too. Next, I'll fill the void, hollow area. Then I'll wrap this up and over. And I'm still going to fill some more here. Now I'm ready for bubble wrap. And I'm starting with small bubble wrap because it better conforms to the shape. So just conform the small bubble wrap to the shape. Now let's go to large bubble wrap. You see how it's too short this direction? Take another half sheet of large bubble wrap like I often do when I'm wrapping glasses, but we have another situation here. The seam is falling right here, so it's pretty flat here. And this is a brand new roll, so it's the first couple are always a little wonky. So I'm putting a half sheet underneath here, a half sheet on top, and then wrapping it. Now it's got extra protection on the inside, on the end. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got extra protection here. This is where I take a long strip of tape and run it down over everything. Put the thank you label on here. Well, I'll just put it here. What kind of odd size do I have? It's about 11 inches long, 11 to 12 by 7 by 7. That's an odd size, 12, 7 by 7. This is an eBay box that's 12 by 10 by 8. I'll get it assembled. Let's do a test fit. Got plenty of room. Can add some air pillows. Looks like 5, 5 and 5. But let me check this again. That pushes it a little bit too high. So instead of air pillows, I'll put 3 sheets of large 1/2 inch bubble wrap that direction to this direction. Test this again. That's much better. Tuck everything in. I'm going to put 5 air pillows along the side, 5 along this side. Try 2 on the end. That's really good. Air pillows, 2 air pillows on each end. And let's see if 1 sheet of bubble wrap will do it on top. I think I need another air pillow here and here. Let's do the shake test. Nothing's moving. You'll find lots more package ship videos on our channel, Avante Avenue, organized by playlist. Thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing. See you soon.